Hey, hi guys. So today in this video I'm going to talk about web3 blockchain. If you are someone who is just starting out with learning web3 or let's say blockchain, right, and your main motive is to learn and develop applications like dapps web3, right, with, decentralized applications. Okay, so I understand that. Okay, so first thing that you should know as a prerequisite, okay, if you are just starting out with, first thing I would say hashing. Learn about hashing technologies. I mean hashing, how hashing is worked, can it be re-engineered, okay, and try it out to hash some string. Next thing is public key, private key. uh, Behind the hood, how hashing is used for public key and private key. After public key and private key comes the digital signature, right? So also in digital signatures, just go through the high level thing that how public key and private key is being used in digital signature, and what is the significance of the digital signature, right, for authentication obviously. And yep, and what should be public, what should be private, as the name suggests, in public key and private key. Next thing, okay, so these are the basics, right? After coming to this, you should also learn about blockchain, right? So starting with blockchain, if you are someone who's just starting out with learning web3, so you think that okay, blockchain is something that is related to money, Ethereum, Bitcoin, waves, etc., right? No, it's not that case, right? So blockchain is actually a storage technology, to be like decentralized storage technology, or distributed decentralized storage technology, to be more precise, right? And these protocols, why I'm saying protocols, because Bitcoin, Ethereum, waves, etc., all these are protocols actually. So these protocols are actually made on top of blockchain technologies. So what does that mean? That they are using the blockchain to make this protocol, right, to make this protocol to do some transactions in the network, the blockchain network. And these transactions are carried out using their particular tokens. For example, Ethereum will use the ETH token, Bitcoin will use the Bitcoin token, right, waves will use their token, right? So yeah, so the hierarchy, you should know that okay, first comes blockchain tech as a whole technology, next come the protocols like Ethereum, Bitcoin, waves, next come the tokens, okay. So your main motive would be understand about the blockchain technology as a high level view, then understand about the protocol, the architecture of the protocol. Then you should know about the how transactions are being made using the protocol, how the tokens are being used for doing some transaction, UTXOs. Then comes the mempool and all, right? So once you are aware of blockchain technology, then you should know about the protocol, how to write a protocol, how you can create your own protocol, how can you using an existing protocol, you can use you do some transaction, you can write some smart contract or anything, etc., right? So these are the basics that you should know about hashing, public key, digital signature. Give 3 to 4 days for this, don't go too much into the depth, know a high level view. After that, what, as I said, the hierarchy you should know about. After that, you are good to go. So yeah, thanks all, bye.